Motivation will not get you there. It's not motivation that gets you to the top. While it plays a huge part, it's discipline and routine that are equally important. They take over when motivation isn't there. So keep at it no matter what. While consistency and continual effort is the key to success in anything you want to achieve, habits create positive results daily. To be motivated to get stuff done is important. It's part of the recipe, but so is discipline and routine. It starts with a little habit and becomes a great groove. It all adds up to a great performance in the long run. Everyone has a purpose, and everyone is capable of greatness. So remember, building up your discipline while you're motivated will pay off when you aren't.